Hello all traders, today is Monday 23rd of December 2024 and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and also CFD contracts. As you see from the 1 hour macro chart, the price was fluctuating above the previous day close or high on all E-minis and started to go down during the London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go up and retested the previous resistance and got rejected and is going down now. So our plan of action is to wait for the volatility to calm down and see reaction of price to this level, and if it goes further down we will take sell short position, and if the price gets rejected and we have a well-established uptrend at this point or the next level of support, we will take long positions repeatedly. So stay tuned and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back and we see that the price is reaching the previous level of resistance and it got rejected. So we saw a good opportunity for a quick sell short position on Nasdaq and Dow Jones, and I recorded this on NinjaTrader without opening the MetaTrader software. So we will see what happens to this trade. We reached the target on Nasdaq. And I just closed also the Dow Jones that was not going down. So that was the live trade that I recorded today, and I'm gonna review next all trades that I have taken today. So we're back, and as you noticed, we were positive before the New York market opening because I took several long positions here when the price got rejected at this level pre-market, and we had a strong uptrend, so I took several long positions with setup T. And you see the results on 3-minute trading charts. And when the New York market opened and the price got rejected at this level and we had a deep pullback and it got rejected again here, so I took sell short positions here with setup C around 10 o'clock. And since the volatility was high, I switched to micro contracts and took some long positions here on Dow Jones around 10:30 and also on Nasdaq around 11 o'clock when the price got rejected at the previous day close on Nasdaq and also Dow Jones here. So all the signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see here the performance on one of these accounts here, which is showing it was positive with profit factor of 18, which is coming from 84% win rate, 81 from 11 long positions taken, and 100% from 2 sell short positions taken. And the average win to loss ratio was 3.43. The largest winning trade was 240 and the largest losing trade was $59, which was the max drawdown of the day. So on the CFD prop firm accounts, these are the list of trades we have taken today with profit and loss. And the market was choppy at the beginning, so I started with a smaller lot size, and later when it became trendy, I increased the lot size. And as you see from the equity curves, we were yesterday at 163 and added about $20 to that. So we are positive, reached $20 profit target of the day on this 5K small CFD prop firm accounts, which corresponds to $1,200 on the 300K futures prop firm account. We had again high win rate and our profit factor improved to 1.75, and as you see the equity curve is growing consistently with 183 net profit, with $172 of the net profit coming from 155 long positions and $11 from 8 sell short positions. We had 129 winners from the long and 6 winners from the sell short positions. That resulted in 83% win rate on average. So because of using proper setup based on the macro structure and high win rate, we had 16 consecutive winners in a row that resulted in $87 profit, and 4 losing trades that resulted in $41 loss. And tomorrow is the day before Christmas, so we will look at the volatility and volume, and we may trade slightly half a day. So hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm account and also on CFD contracts using a small accounts of the Forex prop firms is useful for you. And let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.